Hi, I'm Damien Suchel.
I'm Leland Blankenship.
And I'm Dylan Gasato.
And this is your Making Waves Weekly Announcements.
October was a packed month, from homecoming to back-to-back Spirit Weeks. We had so much engagement and participation across campus. Let's check out some footage from College and Career Week.
And last week was Halloween Spirit Week. There were some epic costumes, pumpkin painting, a red carpet fashion show, boograms, and a jack-o'-lantern cheese ball guessing game. Check out our festival week.
Hi, I'm Natalia, your junior class president.
And I'm Emily, your junior class treasurer.
And we have the cheese ball dresses. In total, there were 1,192 cheese balls.
In first place is Miss Petrick from the science department with a guess of 1,200.
Our second place winner is also from the science department, Mr. Sherwood, with a guess of 1,217. And our third place runner-up is Grace Graff with a total of 1,153. Thank you to everybody who came out and participated.
Happy Halloween!
We also had our first club carnival of the year. There were about 40 clubs who came out and advertised, recruited, and raised money for their club's missions, in case you missed it. Thank you to all our Mariners who showed out over the past 2 weeks.
Okay, now it's time to check out the upcoming events and activities we have this month. Our first 5-Star Fest of the school year is here. This is when students can self-redeem their 5-star points for prizes. This year, the redeem day will be one day only, on Thursday, November 14th. You can begin redeeming at the start of tutorial at 10 a.m. Prizes sell out fast, so make sure you check your email for how to self-redeem.
Then, you will pick up your prizes in the beginning of December based on last name. This year, bags not picked up will not be delivered to classes. There will be 2 makeup days, but after that, the prizes will be recycled back into the inventory. and points will not be given back. It is your responsibility to pick up your prizes. You got this.
Also happening next Thursday is the annual Empty Bowls Dinner and Fundraiser to support the Second Harvest Food Bank. Every single dollar raised goes right back to our community and feeds families in need. Your ticket of $20 gets you a beautiful meal made by the culinary classes and a unique bowl created by our ceramic students. There will be a lovely performance from our choir and art for sale from our National Art Honor Society students. Shout out to the graphic design classes for making the eye-catching flyer, and of course, ASB is helping to put on the event. Bring your whole family out next Thursday, November 14th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. and help support the Second Harvest Food Bank. Tickets can be purchased by clicking on the link in your email, also found on our school website. We hope to see you there.
Returning Mariners, do you remember Student Senate? It's coming back this year. Next week in tutorial, once 5-Star Fest redeeming is done, your teacher will go over what Student Senate is. And you will begin the nomination process by selecting one Senate plus one stand-in senator for each tutorial. Are you interested in a leadership role? Do you want to have a voice in finding solutions for on-campus issues? Join Student Senate. We are modifying the structure a bit, but our goal is to still have one Senate representing every single tutorial on campus. Good luck on your selection process.
Have you heard about the documentary Fentanyl High? Our school is proud to be the first high school in our community to host a screening of this powerful film. This free event is open to all Mariners and to our community and takes place on Wednesday, November 20th. Register by clicking on the link in your email. Aptos High students who register and attend this event can either earn 15 5-star points or clear 3 period absences or 7 tardies. The more we know, the more protected our community is. Don't miss the Fentanyl High film showing on Wednesday, November 20th.
And now for Mariner shoutouts.
Zeke Norton would like to shout out Natalie Gabriel. Zeke says, "We love you and you're so goofy and we will miss you so much."
Mila Appleby is shouting out Autumn Gutierrez because Autumn comes up to play quarterback sometimes for our flag football team and she does great.
Dashell Oliovs would like to shout out Tyson Lashley because he is always focusing and does all his homework on time. He is very nice and cares for his friends.
If you would like to shout out a student or staff member, please complete the shout out Google form emailed each week with Making Waves. 5-star points are awarded to shout out givers and recipients.
Oh, and one more thing. We want to leave you with a little teaser of the official drone footage from this year's homecoming parade.
Huge shout out to Caden Kushak and Chance Thornboo for filming the parade, and props to Caden for editing this masterpiece. Thank you to Mr. DeMuth for encouraging and supporting your students throughout this process. We're stoked to be able to look back on this awesome memory.
For access to the full video, go to our school website. Thank you, Caden and Chance.
We'll have no Making Waves next week because your tutorial time will be spent redeeming for 5-Star Fest. We'll catch you back in 2 weeks.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
That's it, Mariners.
We'll see you in 2 weeks.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And keep those shout outs coming in.
Tell me it wasn't awesome, though.
You don't put your hands out?
No, because I was trying to duck the head.
How did you duck?
Raindrop.
My head was moving.
I love Caden Kushak.
So we're both
Oh, it's super tiny. Leland's talking.
Yeah, we're both talking.
Full video, but let's just show a couple seconds of each grade level.
No, so that's not what you're supposed to say.